12 minus 12 times 12 minus 12. 12 minus 12 gives us 0, and 12 minus 12 again is equal to 0, and 0 times 0 gives us 0. If you got this answer, then the marks you get in the exam is also 0. The reason is that there is a fixed set of rules in math called the order of operations, commonly known as PEMDAS in some countries, or BODMAS in some other countries, but they mean the same thing. In this rule, the letters P or B stand for parentheses or brackets, E or O stands for exponents or order, M and D stand for multiplication and division, and A and S stand for addition and subtraction. First, we have to solve for parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here we first do multiplication and then subtraction. 12 times 12 gives us 144. So we have 12 minus 144 minus 12. 12 minus 144 gives us minus 132, and minus 132 minus 12 gives us minus 144. And this is our final answer to this problem.